Bet you get a good price on this. Come on, let's go look. Oh, you can see where the walls were. That's actually pretty neat. Got a little closet right here. That was a door. So bedroom. Guess we didn't want that air conditioner anymore. Hey, get away from that. Toilet. You can actually still see the shape of the toilet. So the floor was Torazo. Tile in the kitchen, maybe. A little breakfast room, maybe. Living room. Tile in the once garage. Actually, once carport. Enclosed. Back when they used to make block like that. Little patio, maybe. Pretty neat, huh?